Qatar Primary Materials Company operates in the business of construction materials. About one half of our produced materials comes from recycling and reusing the materials. Therefore, sustainability is a core value for us. We rely extensively on heavy equipment. These equipment eventually reach a lifetime and we face a decision of whether to dispose the equipment and replace it or keep it as spare parts. Al-Bahar presented a new perspective, a new opportunity. They offered us the project of rebuilding the equipment. That project was very much aligned with our vision, with our mission for sustainability.
When compared to a new unit, the old unit gets revived at almost like a 40% or a 45% cost of a new unit. So it's a huge saving which the management has acknowledged, and they are very happy with the outcome.
We had some questions initially about it. Is it technically possible? Is it just a regular maintenance? Is it financially viable? And all the questions have been answered with the yes. Actually, it was very technically viable. It extends the lifetime with a warranty, and financially, it was a very compelling deal.
So here we are today, after completing a project of Caterpillar certified rebuild of 18 wheel loaders, models 950, 966, and 980. The work was done by our highly skilled, trained, and experienced technicians. Their expertise actually what revives a tired machine or rebuild an old one. With our rigorous processes and Caterpillar certified rebuild standards, we are confidently packaging our rebuilds with Al-Bahar 360 solutions, inclusive of customer value agreement, equipment protection plan, and Al-Bahar finance options as a complete peace of mind solution to the customer in order to keep the machines running with a minimal downtime.
Throughout the journey, Al-Bahar have been very professional in the way they dealt with this. There was a periodic reporting, periodic inspection. We even visited the site. We saw the equipment. We witnessed the whole journey.
From our workshop to your site, we are not just delivering a rebuilt machine. We are delivering reliability, value, and partnership.
For us, Al-Bahar is more than just a contractor. They are business partner. They are even our technical advisors. They design solutions to solve our problems. Our partnership with Al-Bahar is a unique partnership, an example of how companies should work together.